I see the way your fingers trace the grain of the ancient cedar, weathered by the rain. You've got a mountains quiet in your chest, and I'm the valley where you come to rest. We aren't just shadows passing on the street. We're where the river and the ocean meet. Oh, we're growing like the ivy on the stone, finding life in places we have never known. You be the soil and I will be the sea. Everything we are is everything we need. Bound by the seasons, the wild and the true. There's a bit of the earth in me and you. The wind doesn't ask the leaf which way to blow. It just trusts the current, lets the rhythm go. And I've stopped fighting against the rising tide since I found the shoreline waiting on your side. We're built of stardust and the red clay mud. The pulse of the planet is running through our blood. Oh, we're growing like the ivy on the stone, finding life in places we have never known. You'll be the soil and I will be the sea. Everything we are is everything we need. Being in the winter strips the branches bare. The promise of the blossom is hidden in the air. Nothing stays the same, yet nothing ever dies. I see the whole horizon reflected in your eyes. Deep